between Hergé and the aviation, it's a very long and beautiful love story.
Tintin is such a symbol of Belgium, like I hope Brussels Airlines is a symbol of Belgium as well. Plus Tintin is our hero. As a young Belgian, we were bred with Tintin. He's traveling a lot, he's very courageous, he shares a lot of values that we like as small Belgians to share. Plus we have of course a very emotional binding with Tintin.
It's all about finding the right partner, and we believe that Brussels Airlines is the right partner. It's just the perfect marriage.
The importance of a project like this is that you have a good team, good material and a nice facility. But without an amazing drawing, without the amazing idea, you will not match it. To do the rest is imagination, experience, a lot of color, a lot of people, and this is it.
I think it will be for the people traveling on this aircraft the opportunity to fly on a unique aircraft conveying the Belgian values. So very, very proud to have Tintin painted on an aircraft.
This is maybe just the first one. It's all down to Brussels Airlines, but we're very, very open to continue.
The secret is very simple. Tintin is alive.
I remember when I was a kid and where you were seeing somewhere in the south of France some special ships, you were saying it must be the ship of Rackham Le Rouge or of La Licorne. So it was kind of obvious. You know, very often we name aircraft with names of cities, which is a bit dull. So I think calling it Rackham is much more cool.